Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I want to show you how to remove latex paint from a carpet. So you can see on do is just remove as much of the paint on the surface as we can. Alright, so once we do that, then the next thing we want to do is we want to take a sponge, just a wet sponge, and you want to be present. You don't want to rub and you don't want to do anything like that. What you want to do is you just want to dab, just like this. Okay. So once you use the cloth and the sponge to try to get up as much of that residual, then take about a cup of warm water and a teaspoon of dishwashing detergent. And mix that in really good, get you a nice solution here. And then we'll take that, and again, you just want to blot. And you can put it on with a sponge and rinse it out. And then alternate and pull it up. Now this is something that's going to take a little while to do. But you keep alternating with the sponge. So as you can see, as we continue to work this, and as we continue to blot it, that paint will start to come out. So once you go through this process, you want to let this dry out really good. And then after it's dry, you'll just need to go back over it with a vacuum cleaner. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to remove paint from a carpet.